Ever wonder what seemingly small events can trigger monumental catastrophes? Um, in the world of Fallout, the answer might be surprisingly personal. Um, it begins with a question: what if the birth of a child wasn't just a joyous occasion, but the first domino in a chain reaction leading to nuclear annihilation? Robert House, the enigmatic founder of Robco, wasn't one to deal in speculation. Uh, his computers calculated, predicted, and ultimately uh, saw a future few could comprehend. Could. And in season two, those calculations pointed to a shocking truth. The Howard family, Cooper, Barb, and their daughter Janie were inextricably linked to the bombs that would reshape the world. It began years before the Great War. And House revealed to Cooper that their destinies were mathematically intertwined. And the pivotal moment, the day Janie Howard was born, House's algorithms, normally focused on predicting global events, locked onto that date, April 14th, 2065, as the moment the world began its countdown to destruction. Janie would only be 12 when the bombs fell, a child caught in the crosshairs of a conflict she couldn't possibly understand. Um, Yet her arrival altered the course of events. It wasn't about her directly pushing any buttons, but about how her birth changed Barb Howard, um, a woman already deeply involved in the pre-war power structures. House believed Barb held the key, potentially as the one who would ultimately initiate the war. Did the fear for our daughter's safety push Barb to seek control over the inevitable? Or was Janie's birth simply leverage, a vulnerability exploited by someone even more powerful, someone manipulating events from the shadows? Cooper Howard, seemingly an ordinary actor, also played a crucial role. His unexpected presence on a trip with Barb delayed the projected date of the bombs falling by a full uh, very month. Uh, it's a reminder that even the smallest actions can have unforeseen consequences on a global scale, but the connection doesn't end with the House's calculations also pointed to a terrifying link with the Death Claws, the terrifying creatures uh, unleashed upon the Alaskan battlefield. He believed the same entity responsible for creating these monsters was the one who would ultimately push the button, a hidden player pulling the strings from behind the scenes. The mystery deepens. And who is this hidden player? What connects a family, a birth date, and genetically engineered monsters to the end of the world?
Uh,
Uh, Robert House's computers may have seen the future, but understanding the why remains the ultimate question at the heart of Fallout. It's a complex web of connections, a reminder that even in a world of advanced technology and political intrigue, the most significant events can be triggered by the most personal of circumstances. And, and if you think about it, isn't it ironic that the fate of the world could hinge on something as unpredictable as a baby's birth? Um, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.